Hey everyone, today we're tackling the P0413 trouble code. This code indicates an issue with the secondary air injection system's switching valve circuit being open. It can cause your check engine light to come on and potentially affect emissions. Let's go step by step on how to diagnose and fix it. The code P0413 relates to a voltage problem on the air pump circuit, not the EG or valve. This pump is designed to inject air into the exhaust to reduce harmful emissions from the burned gases. You may notice a decrease in performance or other poor performance symptoms with this code present. Check engine light on, engine hesitation during acceleration. Noisy air injection pump. Poor fuel economy, failed emissions test. OBD2 scanner, multimeter, basic hand tools, replacement parts. To save more money on car expenses, purchase engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. The air injection pump will be placed at the front of the engine with a serpentine belt wrapped around it. First, carefully remove the air injection pump from your engine. Visually inspect the air injection pump's pump pipe and the connector for any damages. Use a multimeter to test the air injection pump. The standard resistance should be close to 0 ohms. If you get a high resistance reading, this indicates the air injection pump is faulty and needs to be replaced. Oxygen sensors are mounted directly onto the exhaust pipe near the catalytic converter. Locate the sensor that responds to slow as it ages. Visually check the oxygen sensors, electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. After completing the repairs, use the OBD2 scanner to clear the code. Take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure the issue is resolved. And that's it, you successfully diagnosed and fixed the P0413 trouble code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive repair guides. Thanks for watching.